Hello friends, welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. In today's video, we will see about the microarray based technology and about the ENCODE project. So let's get started with microarray based technology. I will be sharing my handmade notes and some printed notes as well. Microarray technology is basically used to study the expression of many genes at once, and it is based on the principle of complementary base pairing between the sample and the gene sequence. It is used for studying polymorphism and for the mutations in genomic DNA. I'm sharing with you some printed notes which were in detail. So I just took out some important points and wrote them in my words. The important points have been highlighted. You can use any other point in your answer as well. It also gives a brief about types of microarrays like microarray expression analysis and comparative genomic hybridization. So you can use them and write it. Then there is application of microarray. There are many applications mentioned here. You can take out any 2 or 3 applications and describe them in your answer. Now one type is DNA microarray technology, that is of the same type, but still I've made a note on it for you guys so that you can study it. It basically involves the usage of DNA where the DNA is labeled with the red dye and the normal DNA gets labeled with the green dye. And then again I've mentioned the application of microarray. From the notes or from this you can use any of them. Like from the notes I studied and then I made a note out of them on my own and just wrote them in some points. You guys can refer those printed notes as well as my handwritten notes for making your own answer. Our next topic is the ENCODE project. There is not much information about this, and even if the question comes, it comes just for a 3 marker. So the data which is written is more than sufficient for it. When we surf through the net for this topic, we do not get much information. So I've just written out the important points, that is what does ENCODE project means, and it is divided into 3 phases, that is pilot phase, technology development phase and production phase. Still, I'll be sharing some links below in the description box so that you can guys go through them. I hope my notes are useful for you guys. If you find any problem, do comment and let me know. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.